inMailX Attachment Manager is a simple and cost-effective risk management, compliance and productivity solution for Microsoft Outlook. inMailX enables users to easily preview attachments, rename and reorder attachments, convert attachments to PDF, clean metadata from attachments, password protect sensitive attachments, and compress attachments into zip. The Preview Attachments feature can be used to quickly check and confirm that attached documents are correct without having to open them separately. To preview attachments, click the Preview button to show the preview pane. Click each attachment you want to preview and its content will be displayed in the preview pane. The preview pane enables users to view the attachment content side by side with the email message, search and find specific text, zoom in, zoom out, or fit content in the pane. If some content needs to be included in the email, you can easily select and drag it from the preview pane into the email body, which makes the whole process very quick and efficient. If you need to rename attachments on the fly, click the Rename button to open the Rename window. Double-click the attachment to rename, type the new name, and press Enter. To preview attachments in the Rename window, right-click and select Preview option to show the preview pane. To also change the attachments order, simply drag and drop them in the desired order. Once completed, click the OK button. If you need to convert your attachments to PDF, click the PDF button to open the PDF window. Select which attachments to convert and click the OK button. To preview any of the attachments, simply right-click and select Preview option to show the preview pane. With inMailX, you can also easily combine multiple attachments into one PDF. To do this, click the Combine checkbox, set attachments order if required, type the PDF file name, choose to create bookmarks or not, and click the OK button. The attachments will be converted and combined into one PDF on the fly. After the process is finished, you can preview the combined PDF. If you need to make any changes, it's not a drama. Simply click the Undo button to revert the process, make the necessary changes, and repeat the PDF conversion. inMailX also enables users to easily clean confidential metadata from attached Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and image files. To remove confidential metadata, click the Clean button to open the Clean window. Select which attachments to clean and what metadata to remove. To preview the attachments, simply right-click and select Preview option to show the preview pane. When finished, click the OK button and the attachments will be cleaned. If you need to secure your Word, Excel, PowerPoint or PDF attachments with a password, click the Protect button to open the Protect window. Select which attachments you want to protect, type and confirm your password and click the OK button to protect them. Should you need to change the password, it's not a drama. Just click the Undo button to revert the process, then protect your attachments again. With inMailX, you can easily compress your attachments into zip to reduce size. Click the Zip button to open the zip window, select which attachments to compress, type the zip file name and click the OK button to compress the attachments. This is a very brief overview of some of the inMailX Attachment Manager features and benefits. To find out more about how inMailX can improve your users' productivity and compliance, please contact us at info@inmailx.com.